we're about to start our next paper, which is going to be a persuasive research paper. So we just went over rhetoric and we just went over how to convince somebody that your point of view is correctly and try to persuade them with those rhetorical appeals. So your next paper, it's going to be 2 to 3 pages long. So depending on how much research you conduct, but at least 2 pages. And what you're going to do is you're going to pick a topic that interests you. So something that is either serious or something trivial. It does not matter. Your job is to convince the reader that your opinion is correct and persuade them to think the same way that you do. So you will have to conduct some research and come up with 3 points to back up your argument. So just like the song lyric analysis paper, you need to have 3 points that back it up. So this is going to probably be a 5-paragraph essay. It could be more if you find more research. So the requirements for this is you need to find at least 2 credible sources. So that means not Wikipedia or some random website you found. You have to make sure that it has an author, that it was published, that it is reliable. You can use Wikipedia and those sort of things to get you started, but you do need to find a credible source. I will teach you how to do that, how to make sure that your source is credible. Also then, your argument needs to have 3 major points. So 3 things to back up your initial argument. Then you're going to use the appeals that we just talked about, so logos, ethos, and pathos, and the devices that back them up in your writing. So you're going to use your Writer's Bootcamp notes as a guide. After you pick your topic, email me to get your topic approved. I look forward to seeing what you come up with. So these are the things that I'm going to be looking for is a strong thesis statement, 2 credible sources included in your writing and properly cited. So those parenthetical citations, you're going to need those again because you're going to have some direct quotes in there. And then a 3-point argument and obviously free of grammatical errors and perfectly polished. This paper is going to be worth 40 points. So here are just some topics to kind of get your minds working. So why has anxiety increased in adolescents? And then your argument could be that adolescents are very anxious and that they need to be treated with better resources. Is scientific testing on animals necessary? Your argument could be that no, we should not be using animals to be testing scientific theories. Are zoos helpful or harming them? Do PE classes help students stay in shape? You could argue that PE should be a cyber thing and that it's not actually helping. Or you could say that it's very important and that everybody needs to take a full year of PE. Should college athletes receive a salary? You could argue that they shouldn't or that they should. So just those kind of things. You can pick anything as long as it's school appropriate. Just email me your topic to get it approved. If you have any questions, just ask. And you are going to have to cite direct quotes in this. I'm looking for 1 direct quote per paragraph. All right, that's all. Good luck.